Everyone, so today is a really special day. Today in Jihan School we have a small festival about science fair project. So every group has made a project, but ours is about water filtration. A big problem of today is that we don't have enough water. 8 billion people on this world are suffering from water. So 1% of water is not enough for 8 billion people. So basically this device is really simple and easy and affordable. First, we have this plastic bottle. We have some cotton inside. When we put this dirty water into it, the cotton kind of like collects the big material and the rocks filter it a lot more better. And at last, we will have fresh drinkable water. I hope we can all make this at home because a lot of people say that if I do it, a lot of people won't do it. What's the point? But if we all do it and come together, we will definitely make a big change in this world.